So what is up, everybody? We are back with another video on Turbo to see what it is doing right now. Again, it's still holding strong at the above the 1 penny range, and we're going to be taking a look at what's coming next for Turbo. So before we do start the video, do make sure to check out the link down in the description to the Discord community that I have just recently updated, and now it has a tons of features like wallet trackers, CT trackers, and a ton more. So do make sure to join in while you can. Do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen looking at Turbo, still above that 1 penny range. It's sitting at about 1.1 cents right now, and it is up 40% in just the past 7 days. Market cap above 700 million as well. Market cap still above that 700 million, sitting at about 740 million. Volume at 318 million dollars as well. So looking very good on both sides. Volume is a little bit down because in today it is down about 1.73 cents. It did just kind of trade sideways. We could see it is consolidating sideways ever since we did hit that 1.1 penny range, and it is still in that range as well. But volume still pretty decent. It is a lot higher than what we were seeing before. If we take a look at the website, again, this is a crazy narrative. One of the first AI created meme coins, and with a budget of just $69, and it has now been a more multi-million dollars, more than $700 million actually, and still doing really great. It's on 110 plus spot exchanges. Again, this is going to add another exchange very soon, which is Coinbase. As we did take a look at the Coinbase listing, perpetual featured, it's already on Coinbase and a lot of these other big exchanges, Binance, Bybit, and a lot more. So doing really good on the spot exchanges because it gets exchange listings very regularly, and with a huge listing coming up ahead, this will absolutely be huge. So if you take a look at the Twitter, again, congrats to the team for crossing 100k. We are officially over 100k followers on Twitter. It is absolutely an accomplishment, and the Turbo team is really out there doing their job, looking strong in every thing they're doing. Their Twitter, their exchange listings, their chart looking very good. We have seen a lot of fan art posted on the page as well, and a lot going on with exchanges, a lot going on with Coinbase here, as we did take a look at the roadmap of Coinbase adding Turbo to be available as spot trading. That is again happening very soon. They did announce this back on December 4th, so I think that was Thursday or Friday, somewhere around there. But still, 2.3 million views already, and people in the comments are already super bullish on Turbo, and actually GigaChad as well. That was another coin they added. But overall, the community looking really strong. Again, it has been announced. It's not a rumor now anymore. It is now official that they will be listing Turbo. So definitely looking forward to that. Maybe we could see that something happening next week as well. So look, very excited to see if that does happen. Again, price still holding strong that range as well that we did break out to. If we take a look at the charts again, and we'll have to redraw the chart because coin market cap actually resets the chart. So just draw a rough estimate of what we had before. So this is basically what we were looking at in the past few videos, and we did take a look at the pattern that Turbo is playing out, and it did actually break out from that pattern to the upside. We did take a look at this could be a possible breakout point, or if not, if we do see actually strong sellers, we might break down to 0.206, but that did not happen. We did see a breakout right here, and then it closed a daily candle above that. So definitely looking really good. We could see, again, it is a possibility, we could see another retest, but if that does not happen, that is also good news. But also looking very good on the 4-hour. So breaking out, still holding strong at that level. We can see we are still trading almost about that level. Had a few ups and downs, but holding strong. If we take a look at the community, still 92% bullish. So imagine selling now. Me, Turbo to the moon x 100. It is looking a lot bullish. We could see this pattern forming for Turbo, so looking very good overall, and it still is playing out. We could see what previous listings did for other coins. We see a tweet here, we saw it rise, and then we saw the Coinbase listing and it did 119x. This is Mudang again. This could be the next Turbo. This is what we are seeing with Turbo right now. So this will be most likely, again, it doesn't have to be this fast, maybe could take a little bit of time, but definitely this is the way to go. Could be the next 100x for Turbo. Again, looking really good. So it's really cooking right now. We've seen a lot of charts forming, we see a breakout, we've seen a Coinbase listing, so looking very good. If we happen to get a Robinhood listing, that will be another crazy step. But again, looking at the Coinbase listing for now, definitely something to look out for, and if it does happen, most likely we will see a crazy pump in Turbo. And again, if you do like Turbo, you would definitely love this new meme coin. This is Tardo. If you don't know already about the coin, this is Apu's special cousin. It is a part of the iconic Pepe meme family. If you don't know Pepe meme family, if you don't know Pepe, what do you know? So Pepe is the third biggest currently meme coin in the market right now. We could see right here Pepe, and this is a part of the Pepe family, still very undervalued. If you don't know how to buy, make a wallet. If you don't already have one, get yourself some Ethereum, go to Uniswap, and then swap your Ethereum for Tardo. It's that easy. Tokenomics, 420 trillion 690 billion tokens, 100% liquidity pool, ownership renounced, 0% team tokens, and 0% buy and sell tax. It's that simple. The very solid tokenomics. If we take a look at their Twitter, 290 followers, keep growing day by day. They do really good on the memes for this coin as well. The chart looking pretty good. It did all previous all-time high at almost about 480,000, I believe, something around there, but still doing really good. It does make a lot of moves. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take a look at what Turbo has been doing recently. Again, really excited for this listing and what's going to happen after it. So do make sure to stay tuned to stay updated on Turbo. So if you did enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.